We're going to adjust the seat for width. You need two different sizes of screws for this. So you need to remove this screw and you need to loosen the set screw. You need to make sure that your set screws are underneath an opening so that you can tighten them. And the openings are set at 1 centimeter increments. So when you're adjusting for the seat depth, the one very important thing to remember is that you need to have the same amount of holes behind your armrest bracket as you do behind the actuator bracket. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. To adjust your seat depth, you need to adjust the seat brackets, or the armrest brackets, as well as the actuator bracket. So these two screws adjust your armrest brackets. Be sure there's always at least one slot in between the two screws that you use to mount the armrest. And these two screws are for the actuator or the backrest mount, and you can adjust them anywhere along these holes.